In this video, we'll demonstrate some options to search for information. The primary ones we'll look for is perform a quick element search based on a naming pattern, perform an element search with multiple search criteria, perform an attribute search. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the quick element search. So we're already in PSE. Make sure that we have the Big Tire Company database open and Verify Elements is selected in the Navigator pane. Explore the element hierarchy. It contains 3 locations: Houston, Montreal, and Philadelphia, or Philly, with 4 presses in each location. Above the viewer pane, there is a search box in the upper right-hand corner. Enter the letters HOU in the quick search and press enter. The results of the search will appear in the browser screen under the element search options and in the viewer pane. There should be 5 results that should appear on your screen. Now let's try a slightly different search. Enter HOU asterisk press, PRESS, into the quick search and click enter. Now you'll see that there are 4 results that should appear on your screen. Note, 1 has been eliminated due to the additional criteria added to the search, and an additional quick search will display under the element search options. Note, the search is created display a little asterisk next to the search names. If you create a search to be used periodically, you can save it by right-clicking on the element search name, then save. From the same context menu, you can rename the search. If you do not save the search, it will not be available the next time you open PySystem Explorer. The next search that we're going to look at is Advanced Element Search with multiple criteria associated with it. From PySystem Explorer, select Search and then Element Search. If there was criteria cached from the last search, click the blue X in the search line on the top to reset it. We're going to enter search criteria for presses in Montreal. Select the ellipse towards the end of the element root search entry box. A screen appears from here and you can select the item of interest. We will select Montreal. Click OK. In the template field, we can add press template. Adding templates will become more important as additional templates are created. The search criteria should have the element search root equal Montreal and the template equal press template. Click on the search to get the results. The search field is in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. We should see 4 presses appear upon selecting search. Let's add an additional piece of information into the search. Enter an *1 in the name field to specify another piece of criteria. Click on search to get the results. Now we only have 1 press from Montreal. Let's reset the criteria by clicking the reset button in the lower right-hand corner. Now select all descendants to be true and enter *1 into the name field. Now 3 records are found through the hierarchy. Note, the All Descendants field specifies whether the search returns elements from the selected levels and all levels below. The option should be set to true in most cases. The name field can make use of the wildcard characters asterisk and question mark. Let's reset the criteria again. When you specify a template, you can add additional criteria. In this case, we've selected Press Template. Click Add Criteria, select Attribute Value. To select the attribute of interest, select the ellipse field next to the word Attributes. Select Other Attributes, then the attribute of interest for now. Select Press Status. Press Status is based on an enumeration set, so a drop-down box has the potential values for the attribute. Set the value to Running. Press Search. There are 12 elements with the attribute Press Status. Odds are some, but not all, of the presses will be running. The last search that we're going to do right now is an attribute search. From the PSC menu, select Search and then Attribute Search. Verify again that the Big Tire Company AF database is selected. Enter Press Status into the attribute field name. Click Search. The result should be there should be a Press Status attribute for all 12 presses. And then click OK.